eating the nipple. Don't want, she just want to come out. My name is Tanti. I'm independent neonatal kitten rescuer. Since I started rescuing, I have fostered and rehomed close to 70 kitten and young cats. Sometimes you see them, you just have to do something. You just have to pick them up, rehabilitate, give them a clean bill of health. At 2 to 3 months of age, I will start finding them a home. I have to learn to reach out to all these adopters. Everybody has a phone, everybody has a data. Create a few posters and start sharing. In the morning, you could have an inquiry for your kitten. When one of my rescued kitten was adopted by a breeder, and then he was saying, hey, why not we try to enter this particular kitten into a cat show? This is Teletubby. This is how they're going to show her. They're going to stretch her. See? She's calm, she's composed, no temper at all. Okay? And she's just our local cat. Beautiful calico local cat. She was born as a stray from the stray mother. When my friend heard the meowing sound, she was cornered. She was in the drain, covered in mud, cornered by a pack of stray dogs. It's just a matter of time they got into her. So my friend just jumped out and grabbed her and put her in my care. I want to create the awareness. When you neuter a spay, you stop the population there. It's the only way to go to contain the stray population. When you care about animals, whether it's mixed breed, local breed, you look after their welfare, they can turn out very, very well and very, very nice. That's why I say love need not be a pedigree.